the reaction CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O in the presence of acid. The H plus is nothing but acid. In the presence of acid, the product is an hydrolysis of ester. So this reaction involves covalent molecules, right? So it's a moderate reaction. Okay. At the same time, this reaction will happen. Okay, this reaction will happen. Okay, so it is a spontaneous reaction. Okay, so it's a spontaneous reaction. So B and C options. So it will be 2. Okay, because this reaction takes place on its own. No need of external force. No need of external force. So it is a spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous indicates is it possible or not. It does not indicate it's a fast reaction, it's a slow reaction. Spontaneous may be fast or may be slow. It indicates whether the reaction is possible or not. It does not indicate rate. Okay, so whether it may be a slow reaction or fast reaction, it will happen. So that's why it's a spontaneous reaction. Next one, a catalyst accelerates the reaction because it brings the reactants closer. No. It changes the heat of reaction. No. All these two are wrong. If you want to bring the reactants closer, the concentration should be increased or the volume should be decreased. It lowers the activation energy. Yes, it's the correct option. It lowers the activation energy. It increases the, no, it does not increase the activation energy. It lowers the activation energy. Okay. Next one. If the concentration of reactant is made x times, okay, x times, the rate constant. Hey, the rate constant is independent of concentration. Independent of concentration. So it is unchanged. Rate constant does not depends on concentration, independent of concentration, right? So the temperature coefficient of most of the reactant lies between, we already know that it is 2 and 3, right? So kT plus 10 degrees by kT is equals to 2 or 3, right? This is the direct formula. So 2 and 3, 2 or 3, it should be 2 or 3. Okay, the value lies between 2 and 3, right? The value lies between 2 and 3. It's a correct option. The increase in temperature will increase the reaction rate due to increase in number of effective collisions. Yes, correct option. Increase in the number of molecules. No, we are not adding any reactant here. We are just increasing the temperature. So it increases the mean free path. No, we are not diluting this one. And fourth one may be correct. Increase in the number of collisions. Yeah, you may confuse with this as it is correct. No, it's not correct because the rate of reaction depends on effective collisions, not on the number of collisions. The rate of reaction does not depends on all collisions because some collisions may be ineffective. Okay, they can't influence the rate of reaction. Okay, so the number of collisions may be correct if he didn't give the effective collisions, but he gave effective collisions, so we have to go with this one. Okay, if the option 1 is not here, if it is not effective collision, then you have to go with 4.